Drive through your heels, powering hip extension. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Control the negative, keep your core tight. Great set, focus on that posterior chain. Bench barbell leg press for glutes and hamstrings. Drive through your heels, keep your back neutral. Feel the posterior chain activate. Control the negative, repeat. Posterior chain activation. Drive through the glutes, squeeze at the top. Feel the max activation. Control the descent. Now, drive again. One more rep, finish strong. Drive up, engaging glutes and hamstrings. Squeeze at the top for peak activation. Lower with control, maintaining tension. Repeat for posterior chain power. Bench squat for glute and hamstring activation. Drive through your heels. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Control the descent. Bench squat, glute and hamstring focus. Drive through your heels. Explosive hip thrust. Control the descent, repeat. Bench barbell squat, targeting the posterior chain. Glutes and hamstrings reach peak activation. Drive through the heels for maximum force. Control the negative, then explode up. Bench barbell squat, posterior chain focus. Drive through your heels. Feel the glutes and hamstrings activate. Control the descent. Power through the next rep. Build that posterior chain strength.